In this video, we'll take a look at Microsoft Office Online. Although Microsoft's desktop apps are incredibly powerful productivity and creation tools, they do cost money, and they have to be downloaded on the computer you're using. Several years ago, Google released Google Drive, which included a set of tools that were very similar to the Microsoft apps, but they were available online instead of as downloaded apps. Google Documents were like Microsoft Word, Sheets were like Excel, and Slides were like PowerPoint. Now, although these tools were not as robust and didn't allow you to do as much, they were great tools for educators and students because they're free, they're stored in the cloud, and can be accessed anywhere you have an internet connection and a device. Also, you could collaborate in real time. Well, recently, Microsoft released a very similar product, and that is Microsoft Office Online. This is one of my favorite tools, as it allows you to access some very familiar apps, such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, online for free. Let's take a look at this. Here I'm on the Microsoft Office Online page, and if I scroll down here, you'll see that they tell me more about it. They're talking about Word Online, and I can begin using it. Same for Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Now I'll scroll up here and click on, for instance, Start Using Word, and this will bring me to Microsoft Word Online. So you can see here in the upper left-hand corner, we have Word Online. If I click on this box in the upper left, it shows what I have access to. So I have my calendar, OneDrive, I have Word Online, Excel Online, PowerPoint Online, OneNote, and so on. So there's a lot of tools that you have access to here, and I am signed in under my account. But once you have an account created, you will have access to these online applications. Now with these online applications, your work is automatically stored in the cloud, and you can collaborate in real time with others. You also get access to Microsoft OneNote, and you can use your Microsoft OneDrive account to store files. Although you get free access to these great apps, they don't have all of the same features that the more powerful desktop apps have. But for most situations in education, these additional features aren't always necessary, so you may find Microsoft Online as a great solution. In this course, we're focused on Microsoft Office desktop apps, and not focused on the Microsoft Office Online platform. However, I highly recommend that you check out this powerful new tool, as it's extremely useful for educators and students and can help to transform your instruction.